In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this round flower coaster. It's about 10 centimeters in diameter. It looks really pretty and it has a double layered edge, which makes it look a little complex, but as long as we follow the instructions, I'm sure you complete this project in no time. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you won't miss out on more quality content like this. The hook I'm using is a 3mm one. We're gonna start with a magic loop. Once you've made that, chain 3. Into this loop, we're gonna put our first double crochet. So yarn over, into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that again. That's our first double crochet. Now we're gonna go ahead and put another 18 double crochets into this loop. So if we include the chain 3, we should have 20 double crochets. Slip stitch into the third stitch of the chain 3. Chain 3, and we treat it as our first double crochet. Now chain 3 again. Skip one stitch, double crochet into the next stitch. So after a double crochet into that, chain 3 again, and skip one stitch again into the very next one, work one more double crochet. Chain 3, skip one, double crochet into the next stitch. Continue doing this. When you're one stitch away from the chain 3 and slip stitch into the third stitch of the beginning chain. Chain 3. Into this space here, work 2 double crochets. Chain up 5 and 2 more double crochets into the same space. Into this double crochet of the last row, work a double crochet. Then you're going to repeat those steps. Into each space, you're going to put 2 double crochets, chain 5 and another 2 double crochets. And you're going to put 1 double crochet into every double crochet of the last row. So go ahead and do that. When you finish with the last space, slip stitch into the chain 3. Next row, chain 1, into the very same stitch on top of the chain 3, work a single crochet. Then we have a chain 5 here. Work 9 double crochets into this space. And single crochet into this middle double crochet here. Then go straight into the next chain 5. Work 9 double crochets again. Then single crochet into the middle double crochet again. When you come around, slip stitch into the very first single crochet we've made. Chain 1. Now it gets a little tricky here. We have 2 double crochets here. Find the second one. I want you to keep an eye for that stitch. We're gonna single crochet into this one, but we're gonna do it from the back side. You can flip this petal inward like this and insert hook. Finish your single crochet. So it looks like this. Chain 5. Into this double crochet on the other side. Fold the petal inside and finish this single crochet. You might be struggling if this is your first time doing any stitches like this. It was hard for me as well, but I promise it gets easier. Just keep trying, you get there. Next, you're gonna chain 5 again, single crochet, chain 5 again, and repeat. So 1 single crochet into that one, chain 5, single crochet into this double crochet, chain 5, and keep doing that. Do your last chain 5 and find the first single crochet. We're gonna slip stitch into that one. Now that's the hard part done. We're almost there. We only have 1 row to do. Into this chain, we're gonna slip stitch twice to reach the middle. Chain 1 and work a single crochet into that. Then straight into the next space, work 9 double crochets, then directly single crochet into the next chain 5 and 9 double crochets into the next chain 5. When you come back around, slip stitch into this single crochet here. And fasten off. That's it. That's our project done. It's really not that hard, is it? If you like this project, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on the notification and I'll see you next week.